So let's get started. Allow me to introduce you to the ingredients. We have water, tinned tomatoes, penne pasta, chopped onion, frozen defrosted prawns, peppers, Parmesan cheese, cream, dill, tarragon, salt and pepper, fennel seeds, pre-melted butter, and vodka. First things first, we want to remove the lid from our pressure cooker and set to brown saute. Now that the pressure's come up to halfway to temperature, we can add the butter, the salt and pepper, the onion, and the pepper. We now just want to give that a stir to combine all of the ingredients. Next, we just want to allow this to fry for a couple of minutes. We now want to add our pinch of fennel seeds, pinch of tarragon, and pinch of dill. And for the next part, we want to add our tomatoes, trying to get the bowl as low as possible to avoid splatter. Our water, and the pasta. And give everything a good stir and make sure the pasta is submerged. Now for the next part, we just want to switch off and cancel saute. Check our lid is set to locked and not vent. Placing the lid on, locking it nice and tightly into place. We want to select manual mode, 4 minutes. Now the pressure cooker has come up to pressure. The timer has begun at 4 minutes. So the pressure cooker has finished cooking the 4-minute cycle. We can now cancel pressure cooking mode and depressurize. If you wish to, simply place a towel over the top of the steam vent. Now the pressure cooker is depressurized, we can remove the lid. For the next part, we just want to press brown saute. And giving this a stir. We now want to add our vodka. And our prawns. And give that a good stir. And what you'll find is the prawns will essentially go pink as they cook. And we want to allow that a few minutes to cook. Now it's quite important to give this a stir fairly regularly. That way we can ensure all the prawns are cooked and have been submerged. And after a few minutes, we can add the cream. Now there are two options with the Parmesan. You can either use it later as a garnish, or you can add it in the cooking process. So now everything's boiling, we can switch off the pressure cooker. And give it a few minutes to settle. So it's now time for the taste test. The prawns, due to being cooked from raw and frozen defrosted, have an incredible amount of flavour compared to pre-cooked prawns. The pasta is slightly al dente, so it's got a perfect bite to it. And the flavours of the tomato and the herbs are absolutely incredible. The tarragon, the dill, the salt and the pepper and the fennel seeds work absolutely perfectly in the background, just to give those subtle hints. And the sauce, a perfect combination of cream and tomato. This dish is incredibly healthy, very, very quick to make. We also have the added delicate touch of the red pepper. It's a Romano pepper. And all in all, fantastic dish. I can't recommend enough. Like and subscribe for the latest videos as soon as they become available. I hope you're enjoying cooking the food as much as I'm enjoying the cooking of the food, and I hope you're enjoying eating the food as much as I'm enjoying eating the food. Thanks again. See you in the next one.